It is that time, ladies and gentlemen. Time for our daily Palantir stock update. We're going to break down the charts, and let me tell you, it's slightly down. It's slightly down right now as we're close to the end of the day, as overall the entire market is up. The S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the Russell. Very nice green day so far today, as the VIX is down over 4%, but Palantir is slightly in the red. So we're going to go over the charts, my plans, what I'm seeing right now in the short term. But first, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe, join the email stock newsletter, and check out my Patreon if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio, see the stocks I'm buying, options moves I'm making, the whole 9 yards, full transparency. That is down below on Patreon. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of your water, stay hydrated, guys, and let's dive into it. So Palantir is down a whopping 5 cents a share right now, but don't be surprised by the looks of it if it goes green. It's trying to go green here, but then again, we do have on the intraday chart here lower highs being made, but if we do maybe break out of here, we'll monitor it throughout this video, and of course I'll watch it later today. But if we break out of here, maybe we could be getting potential green later in the day. Maybe the stock starts to push over 155 again. But for now, as of this video, guys, we're slightly in the red. And the stock has been, you guys know at this point, consolidating for a good couple of days. It seems like weeks, honestly. It might actually be weeks at this point. But look, the stock since the 20th of August, so about 2 weeks, I guess you can't say weeks on end, but it's been consolidating for a good amount of time now, between 155 to about 162. You guys remember we've covered this before. You can see if I want to draw this correctly. Come on, there we go, guys. We can see clearly we're holding support in the low mid 150s right now. Now Palantir is going green. There you go. Now it's back to the red. So it's going back and forth right now. But overall, with today's price action, it's pretty clear we're maintaining support in the mid-low 150s, which is good. Now I just want to wait and see, wait for the confirmation for us to start breaking back towards 160 to 162, which we all know now is a big level of resistance, and overall, if Palantir is able to break out of 162 to 163, which clearly is the top of this channel, that is where we could start taking off even further. And at that point, the head and shoulders that we've been outlining in these videos, that would be out the window, which would obviously be a great thing overall for the bulls. Because look, if I zoom in here, you guys can see, if I get the circle tool out, we can see right here, we have the left shoulder, the head's right here with the right shoulder right here. So overall, guys, if we break out of that channel on the smaller time frame, neckline's out the window, head and shoulders is out the window, and the bulls would gain the edge there. But we're not there yet. That's the thing. And again, Palantir is trying to go green. It's going red. It's going green. So the reality is, man, we're going to have to give it more time. And this might take another week, another 2 weeks to pick direction to play out. But I'm telling you, just watch that 20-day chart, zoom in on it, draw the channel out, set your alerts, and just be patient. At the end of the day, man, a stock is not going to make a crazy move every day, and there's going to be weeks at times, even for a hypey, I don't want to call it hypey, but a popular, that's a better word, a popular stock like Palantir, even stocks like this have periods of time where they just chill out and do nothing. Could you imagine stocks that are not in the spotlight all the time? There's periods, many periods, long periods where there's flat trading. So this is actually good. This is actually good, guys. After we saw months of just straight up and to the right, it's good to see a little bit of sideways trading. And this could honestly be an opportunity, if you weren't already in the stock, maybe to buy into it, if you've done your research, not telling you what to do, obviously. But I've owned it for a while now, so it's like, would I buy here? Probably not. But if I wasn't in it, it'd be something I would consider. Right? It would be. But for now, guys, this is what we're dealing with. Death cross on the 4-hour chart. Head and shoulders that looks like it could play out. So we're going to have to, be patient. Wait for the break over 160, preferably 165. And at that point, yeah, the bulls are going to be rocking and rolling, and we could be going a lot higher. But we're not there yet. So be patient, set your alerts, and let's go through some other stocks here on my watch list. By the way, guys, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. I checked my analytics. I think 60% of you, or 40, whatever, a lot of you watch the channel, but you're not hitting that subscribe button. If that's you, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out, guys, in the overall algorithm. We're almost at 60K subs, I think, on YouTube, which is a crazy milestone. I appreciate all you guys for tuning in, as always. So let's see some stocks here moving. We have companies like Micron, or stocks like Micron, moving 2.5%. It looks like here you can see we overall broke out of the sideways channel that we were in for months earlier in 2025. We broke out of that back in, it looks like here, June, and now we've been consolidating above that old resistance, holding it as support. So it almost looks like Micron's gearing up for another pop, maybe to test the mid-high 120s, maybe back to 130, which is where it looks like it was back in June. So I like the way Micron's setting up here. ARM Holdings is another one that's up, but I'm not loving this chart. We're under the moving averages. We actually have a death cross, so I'm going to be patient or careful. Oh, let me get a little back crack here, guys. Oh, man. Holy smokes. So, yeah, ARM Holdings, 2.5% up, but we're not really showing any signs of a full breakout. Let's see here. Another one moving. We covered Macy's yesterday, I believe. They reported pretty good earnings. I think they raised their guidance, and the stock just went bananas because I guess nobody was expecting that. Everybody thought, like, oh, yeah, Macy's, their earnings will be okay, maybe. Their guidance will be all right. But no, man, this stock went absolutely bananas. It went up like 20% yesterday. Now it's up another 3.5%. So it's fully breaking out. Keep your eyes on it. Ticker symbol M. Let's see. Netflix is also moving on the day right now. No, this is not the right ticker. This is MFlix. Netflix, NFLX, not MFLX. NFLX is breaking out above, looks like here. Oh, yeah, this is good. Good news here, guys. As in a good This is starting to go. It's starting to take out the highs from the middle of August. Looks like Netflix is now trading at multi-week highs. Kind of looks like it's taken out. Yeah, it is. The highs, or at least it's testing the highs from mid-July. So this one is looking real good right now, guys. Really good. It looks like here, yeah, if this thing takes out, I would say at least 1265. I'll put my alert there. We could be cruising back towards 1300 plus on Netflix. And on the 4-hour chart, it looks like we got earnings. The stock actually sold off before earnings, rightfully so. I mean, it needed to cool off. We got the cool off. Now we're starting to heat up again. A little cup and handle action even, I'm noticing on Netflix here. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'm going to wrap it up. Quicker video. Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Check out the Patreon if you guys want to keep up with my real portfolio updates. You guys get to see what I'm doing, stocks I'm buying, trades I'm making, performance updates, all that stuff is linked down below on Patreon. There's also a Discord, and it starts at $10 a month. It's cheap, guys, for the value. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.